Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word futanari in depth. First, the definition. Futanari means a Japanese term for characters with both male and female physical traits. Think of it simply as a blend or combination of male and female features in one character. This term is mostly used in anime and manga contexts. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Futanari traces back to Japanese folklore and was popularized in modern media in the 20th century. Over time, it's been used by fans and creators of anime and manga. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use Futanari in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. In anime culture, Futanari characters often challenge traditional gender roles in storytelling. Correct example 2. Some artists create Futanari figures to explore themes of gender fluidity. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Futanari my sandwich, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Futanari correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Futanari means a Japanese term for characters with both male and female physical traits. It comes from Japanese folklore and 20th century media, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Futanari down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.